this GT4 from this guy we follow on Instagram and YouTube. I like GT4s the best out of all the Porsches. So this is really nice. And white too's clean. With white wheels, white on white looks good. This is nice because GT4s are my favorite, as you know. M4, oh yeah, I saw that. Manual GT4. GT4's got manual too, so even cooler. Yeah, I think this thing's for sale, right? It's just covered in shit.
Clean, nice blue.
What do you mean it's clean? I'm just kidding, I know. It's covered in shit. Dang, another Turbo S. Bunch of Land Rover Defenders over there. Just a Carrera S. This is nice. Or Cayman. Fuck. Land Rover Defenders. I think the same ones we saw last time. I think. Yeah, probably. Right here. This is not Mexico blue. I mean Miami blue. This doesn't look Miami. Miami is more turquoise.
You're colorblind. You think this is it?
Listen, isn't Miami blue more turquoise?
No, this is literally like Miami. I don't even see it.
Yeah, we need to pay attention to Roy, but there's a GT4 RS. Bro, this thing's so tiny.
Look at the grill. They're always like that small triangles.
Bro, this thing's tiny. There's less room in the back than my car. Bro, that'd be so weird changing gears and it's all the way up. You'd be changing gears like this.
What's wrong with like it having?
Dang, another 9. There's a bunch of 992s here.
Yeah.
Different ones. Another TT in green. What is the second one? I think there's only 2, I think. There's the Nardo gray one and then this one. I don't think there was any other.
Yeah.
Reminded me of Liberty Walk Krauser, just saying I want to see Liberty Walk cars. This is nice, white on white again, but with black accents on the wheel. I like the wheels, how they're like have black accents on the side of this boat, so it's not just fully white. The wheels look nice. And the wing, carbon fiber? The wing is carbon fiber as well. I like how the middle is black and then just the sides are white. Full carbon wing. Here's the really sick GTR. GT3 car. Nismo. This is sick. If only these cars here manual too. Oh, of course it's Ace of Spade. We see their cars so much. The Ace of Spade rally must be starting soon. For anyone who doesn't know, it's just a rally in like local to Ontario, I think it is, right? Like the GTA, I think. I'm not sure if it's a cross camera. Another Ace of Spade car. Oh, here's the S2K right next to this thing. This is nice. Convertible, and it's manual too. Also nice wheels as well. Clean. This is a clean S2K.
S2K.
Like literally clean in every aspect and meaning. I think this S2K is fully stock. Yeah, I think it's stock. Yeah, I don't know. Like the exhaust looks stock. Well, like engine mods is probably stock. GTR is moving this shit. This is probably my favorite thing here, other than the 33. Especially this. Look at it. You know it's nice compared to the normal one. The music is blasting. What's in here? McLaren badge on a BMW. That's hilarious. People would probably make fun of him for that if they didn't know. I like the color. Ooh. I'm not a huge Ferrari fan, but wait, what is that with the Momo livery back there? You gotta see that after. With the Momo, yeah. All blacked out. I feel like yellow stitching looks good when it's all black.
It's like,
Is this the one that goes X Class in Forza?
yeah. Well,
Yeah. Yeah. An RX-7 just pulled up. Look how nice this is. This is a nice color.
Yeah. It's not the same one as last one, but
Yeah, I know. I'm not sure if it's a Spirit R, but has parts for it. Because lots of people just take regular ones and convert them because it's easier.
I like the.
That looks good.
Oh, that's a beautiful plate too.
Yeah.
Well, I just don't. Yeah, that's hilarious. I really like the hood actually. The hood's sick. And the carbon. Well, I just know it's just carbon fiber. That's crazy. Damn. Oh. Shell, what color is it? I swear to God, that is Mexico blue. Damn, this thing's loud. Damn, he's literally leaving. He's only been here for like 2 hours left. Why are cars? Are they moving or are they actually just leaving? This was good.
Yeah.
Oh, imagine being these people. This thing, I hope it's not. He might not do hard revs because he has a child in the car. Yeah. Like dipping, rolling out. 992 is better. Nah, 992 is better. The hood, the bumper, the tail lights.
Can I get a ride? Bro, he ignored me.